Due to YouTube and the COPPA laws, if you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA. Happy 2023 to you guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome beginning to a new year. I am here with a really quick video. It's an unboxing from Yixuan Scrapbooking. You guys know I am on her design team. So she sent a lovely box and I'm so excited to open it because it is surrounding Valentine's Day. And this is the time you want to grab your Valentine goodies and start crafting so you can get them there by February 14th. I never do, but I want you guys to not do as I do, but do as I say. So grab yourself a little cup of coffee, tiny bit of drink, because this won't be long, and let's get to this unboxing. All right, so here is what she sent. Like I said, it's just a little package of love, and I am here for it. So everything is packaged up in this binder, and fortunately, if you saw my last haul, I have some magnetic sheets that I can put all these cute little Valentine things on. So I'm excited to use that. Also, I have my own storage container for her so that I can just grab and go when I'm ready to create something using Yixuan's scrapbooking products. So to get started, okay, since this one popped on out, we're going to open this one up. These are all dies, and I will have the links below in the description box if you guys are interested. This is a cute little love die with the little arrow. Really, really cute. I will be having some projects using some of these dies so you guys can see how they cut and everything, but her products are awesome. They cut really, really nice. Great detail. This is a balloon with hearts, and then you have two optional bows here, and you can always cut this out twice and then pop them up on pop dots, make it look realistic. So that's really cute, and these are all pretty small, so they'll go great on cards and things like that. So this one is so cute. It's a little tag set. It has, you have the tag, and then you have these hearts, and the hearts spell out the letters LOVE for love on the inside of the hearts. And then also you have some cute little puzzle pieces with little hearts on them. And then you have the word love, and then you have me or you and me. There's a little die there. It's all separated, you and me, and then you with a little heart in the center. I think that is so cute. So you can make yourself a cute little tag all in one. So I'll definitely be playing with that. That would make a cute little shaker if you're doing like some Valentine mail. You need a little tag. That would be cute for that. And then here is another one. This is a set of balloons with the little peekaboo window. We have the separate string and the bow. So we have two balloons. I wonder if these will fit on here. I mean, they're not too far off to be able to put something else if you want to put these two together, but really, really cute. You can even use the bows separately, of course, because we all love some good bows. I hope I'm on frame because I did not look up to see if I was. And here is another balloon die. These are cute. Now, those are heart balloons, and these are regular balloons with a cute little bow as well. So we have two different types of bows that we can use on the die. So really, really cute. Okay. We're going to move. Oh, my goodness. This is so adorable. It is a rainbow, and then it's a stitched rainbow with hearts at the bottom. So you have the top layer. Oh, this is so cute. Definitely going to play with this. And you have the second layer that can lay, I don't know, can this lay on top? Let's see. Oh, yeah, it lays right on top, and it's stitched. So really, really cute. That's a fun die. And then we have this one. This box is loaded with lots of Valentine love. Here is a heart set. It has the heart with the love on the side here, and then you can layer the outer layer and then the inner layer respectively. So that is really cute. Really cute little die. Next up we have, I think these are the corner things that I saw on her site. Yeah, I think it's like a photo corner, and you just kind of, you do your photo here, or your picture, or well, picture, photo, same thing, or you know, a card, and then you can put this right there on the corner. This one says love with little lips there on the inside. So really, really cute, really adorable. And then there is this set of hearts with the arrow going through. How cute is that? You have the top layer, you have a backing layer, and then a top layer. You know, you can always have fun with doing two colors, do outside gold and pink and red and mint and all the pretty color combos that go along with Valentine's Day creating. So that's fun. And you can't have a Valentine's Day without Cupid. Cupid doesn't lie. Okay, that's it. That's all. You know, you guys get singing every time. That was that rendition of Cupid. Okay, so this is another little corner die, and has a little Cupid shooting his arrow, and then you put it right there on the corner. That's so cute. I love this idea. These corner dies are cute. And then here's another one. This one has a truck with the hearts on it, just like that. How fun is that? Adorable. So here we have love. I love these little ones because they look so cute on like a monochromatic card just stacked up, and I'm definitely going to do this one. So make some little note cards. I think that would be so fun. And then it has a little heart in the middle. Even you can layer this several times and have a little shaker bits in there. So really, really cute. I think I had an SVG like that. So, or something, or maybe it wasn't that. It was something similar. But I absolutely love it. This says, you and me, and the ant is super huge. Really, really cute. Nice little die for your stash. I think that's adorable. Again, these will make great tags, great cards. Really, really fun. So we have, what does this say here? It says love. It's another little corner die. And it has the two hearts on it. Really cute. And this really nice font with that. So that's nice. And then we have Cupid again. We have some hearts. It says, I love you. How cute is this? The little backing piece. And then the top piece for the front. And then again, you can make these into little shakers. I love shakers. I love making shakers. I love looking at shakers. I love shaking shakers. So this is super cute. The little Cupid there. Absolutely adorable. And then we have this corner die. And this one has hearts, solid hearts, and open hearts here on the side. That is fun. These corner dies are giving me life. And speaking of that, we have another one here, but this has some little added extras to it. Oh, it's a gnome. Oh, look at him. He's so adorable. Have the gnome, and then it has, it says love, but the O is of the gnome. We have the extra little piece for the hat, extra little piece for the heart, and then these are his hands. So you can make them, you know, whatever color you want to make them. So that is so adorable. I can't wait to see how that looks like on a frame or on a card or something like that. So that is so adorable. That is like trending next level type crafty stuff, is the corner dies. And again, this one says love, but it has the open hearts, and then the L is really cursive, really pretty script, and then the E is open. Cute. How fun would that look? Adorable. All right, and then another corner one. This says love, and the corner of the heart is cut out. So cute. And then this one is a little corner. Again, the heart is cut out, but this is solid. That one is not a solid. This one has a little arrow. How fun. And the last corner one had to go big or go home. We got XOXO with the huge lips, honey. Yes, she needs some lip gloss on that for sure. I think these are so cute. Absolutely adorable. So that's that. And then there's this die background that is absolutely gorgeous. It's a hearts background full of all kinds of sizes of hearts, big and little and skinny and chunky. So, and then this would you just put this on your card. You can again use it as a shaker on top and put this on as a little overlay. This can be a background in the flat background and lay on top. So multiple uses for dies like this. So super, super cute. Don't shy away from these corner dies. I would love to see what you guys have in mind. If you grab these, definitely tag me or Yixuan Scrapbooking on Instagram if you make something with these dies. Don't forget, I have links down in the description box for everything that I have shown you here today. You can check out her website. I'll also put the other hauls that I've had so you can see all the things that she's sent. So you can see my unboxings and things like that. Awesome stuff, new stuff, stuff you haven't seen. So let me know what you guys think by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.